Hello, my name is Elizabeth Tovar Castrillon. I am 22 years old. I am single and live with my parents. I live to help with things of the farm, play with my dog, watch movies, listen to music, and cook. Okay, this is my family. My brother is petroleum technician, my mother is teacher, my father is agriculturist, my sister is a student for math teacher, my sister is lawyer, my sister Irene husband and newspaper. My beach in Carlet, such. Okay. New let's see to infogram fish. Cueva de los Guácharos Huila. On a vacation, I went with my colleagues from the university to the Cueva de los Guácharos National Park located in the department of Huila, and we stayed 3 days. The water. This trip was fantastic, and I have beautiful memories of the landscape. I want to tell you about water. It is very cold rains I love. I will add some recommendations at R. It is necessary to use plastic bag to keep the feet dry. It is important to take a well-charged camera to take pictures of the landscape. It is important to bring flash highs that are good and that can be used inside the cave. Okay. I am going to tell some these that should be done that do not. It is not good for you to travel outside. The path is long. Do not damage the plants of the place. Okay, good trip to the cave of Cueva Los Guácharos Huila. Goodbye.